Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon D780 Body, renewed, is a remarkable camera that seamlessly bridges the gap between novice and professional photography. This full-frame DSLR combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their photography game. Upon unboxing, the D780 immediately impresses with its solid build quality. Weighing in at a comfortable 2 pounds, it feels sturdy yet manageable for extended shooting sessions. The design is sleek, with a classic black finish that exudes professionalism. The button layout is intuitive, allowing for quick adjustments even while looking through the viewfinder. One of the standout features of the D780 is its impressive 24.5-megapixel sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with rich detail and vibrant colors. The ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 50 to 204,800, offers remarkable low-light performance, enabling users to capture sharp images even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera excels in dynamic environments, thanks to its advanced autofocus system with 51 focus points and 15 cross-type sensors. The D780 boasts a 4K video recording capability, allowing filmmakers to capture stunning footage with ease. The addition of N-Log and 10-bit HDMI output provides versatility for post-production, making it an excellent choice for videographers as well. Furthermore, the dual card slots support both SD and XQD memory cards, ensuring ample storage for both photos and videos. Battery life is another highlight. The D780 can capture approximately 2,260 shots on a single charge, making it suitable for long shoots. The camera's connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enable seamless transfer of images to smart devices for quick sharing. In conclusion, the Nikon D780 Body, renewed, is a powerhouse that offers an impressive combination of performance, versatility, and usability. Whether you're a budding photographer or an experienced professional, this camera has something to offer everyone, making it a valuable addition to any photography kit.